What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is the unboxing and overview for the Google Pixel 3 XL. It's the just pink color, and I already took the phone out and we'll go inside the box, see what is in there real quick. You might have already seen this a million times, but we'll do it real quick. And in here you get some paperwork, nothing you probably want to look through, and then you get the SIM card remover, so you can remove the SIM card. Inside here you get the power brick, USB Type-C. It's going to be USB Type-C on both ends, into the phone and into the power brick. And then lastly, let's see what we got here. Oh, we got two things actually. So we have the headphone adapter, so if you want to plug in some regular headphones via USB, you can. You have the USB-A to USB-C, so if you want to transfer data between two phones. And then you also have your USB-C to USB-C, which will plug into that charger. And then this is new, obviously. This year they're giving us headphones. And here you go. These are the Pixel Buds that are wired, and we'll give these a listen too and see how they sound. If they sound any different, they probably sound just like any other headphones, but I'll give them a try and give you what I think about them. And then here is the not pink Pixel 3 XL, and it's kind of a smart thing that they did this because it doesn't look very pink. It depends on how you look at it. Sometimes it looks white, sometimes it looks like that computer beige. Obviously you have that bright orange, or it looks like orange to me, color for the button. Honestly, I like the design. I think it's pretty. I think it's a good looking phone, so I don't see anything wrong with it, really, to be honest with you. So I think it's a good looking phone, and then it's just pink, or not pink, wherever, all the way around the phone. No headphone jack, obviously, which is the common theme, and then you get that big notch, which you probably saw a second ago right there. And I'm kind of used to, at this point, I've been using it all day pretty much, this and the Razr phone. I'll have a video. Anyways, this is the Pixel. And if you've ever used a Pixel, it's the Pixel launcher, which is very plain, not very customizable. And it runs the newest and latest, greatest version of Android, which is 9.0. So if you've used that before, it's gonna be the same thing. So it's nothing, honestly, just to break it down, this is, if you've come from a Pixel 2 or 2 XL or a phone like that, this is not gonna be that big a jump for you, except for the notch on here. So yeah, just keep that. The screen, this is at 80-90% brightness, and that would basically be at 50% brightness on my Galaxy Note 9, so the screen's not very bright, but it is clear. It's a nice looking screen, so I have no problems with the screen when I bring it outside. I haven't really had any issues either, just as long as I keep it at about that, and that's what I keep it at right now. It's gonna kill my battery for sure. But yeah, anyways, I took a photo with the camera, and that's one of the big things about the Pixel phones is the camera. And this is the photo I took. No, I'm not smiling or anything, but it has that portrait mode in the back, so it blurs everything out. Camera looks great, and you've probably heard it's gonna be great. And haven't done a bunch of photos yet, but again, I'm so far happy with the camera thus far. There's not really a lot of customizations on here. It's kind of funny, just coming from the Galaxy Note 9 and going to this, it feels like I'm missing out on features or customization, but regardless, the phone has been running really smooth and fast, so I've had no problems with that. The speakers too, but we'll get into the speakers after a while. So you get a couple of new things. So you get digital well-being on here, which shows me that I've had 37 unlocks, 321 notifications. That sounds crazy. And this is only in 2 hours and 42 minutes, I guess, I've had the screen on. I've been using the phone since, I think, about noon time. So it's been about, what time is it now? It's been about 7 hours that I've had this phone at least turned on. So you can go different things in well-being. And then, like I said, there's not a lot of customizations in here. You can't lower the screen resolution or anything like that on this. The ambient display doesn't show a ton of information. You can't really customize it. You can only really turn it on or off and show notifications and things like that. Colors are set to adaptive. You can do boosted or natural. Natural's so ugly. I would never do natural on here. Then else you get wallpapers. Again, nothing too customizable. If you know Android, that's kind of what you get here. Let's talk about the speakers. There's been rumors that one was louder than the other, and I can definitely confirm that. The bottom one does sound louder than the top one. Back in the day, and I'll hold this up to my microphone. That's the top speaker, and then this is the bottom speaker. So you can probably tell that there was a difference, but the speakers sound nice and loud. Definitely, I feel like they're definitely louder than last year's version. That's kind of what we've been hearing. All right, so listen to the headphones. They actually sound pretty good. I think they're definitely loud, and it's nice that you can speak through them and do all that kind of assistant stuff. But they do have the button on here to control the assistance if you press and hold it. All right, guys, that is the Pixel phone. I'll definitely have more videos on this and let you know my thoughts. But I'll be honest with you, I'm not super excited about it like I was last year. I really like the Galaxy Note 9. The camera, I'm excited about. I really like the camera. I'm also excited to try out the where you can plug in an external microphone for this and get audio through the regular camera app. So that's exciting as well. One thing with the camera, actually, so I forgot to go through the camera modes. On the camera modes here, you have just regular camera, then you have portrait, which is going to give you that, background effect where it's blurry, panorama. You can go into video, and video only records at 4K 30. It doesn't go 4K 60, unfortunately. Also have playground in here, which allows you to put like special characters and things into the photo. So you just click that, and then you pick your little guy that you want. And here, these are featured. You can look at these, but these are like Marvel characters. So if I wanted Iron Man in my photo, I can make him bigger or smaller. You can take pictures with like superheroes. It's kind of a cool thing if you like superheroes. Not huge into it, but that's one of the new features of the camera. And then you also have photosphere, slow motion video, photo booth, which allows you to snap photos with a smile, get in the shot and smile, or make a funny face to get photos. Automatically tap the button to start. So I'll smile. There you go, I smiled. There you go, kind of a cool thing. It's kind of like Samsung's cheese thing that they have going on. But yeah, that is the camera and that is the phone for the Pixel 3 XL. I love the design, I'm not gonna lie to you. I really like the back. In person, it looks really nice. It feels good in your hand. It feels like kind of a plastic, and I don't mind that actually at all. I don't mind it one single bit. The notch, don't love, but I can definitely see myself getting used to it. I'm not gonna lie. Other than that, the screen is nice. Wish it was brighter, but it's still bright enough, I guess. Yeah, we'll go from there. And if you guys have any questions, leave it down below. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.